here at Inc. 5000, and it's super exciting to be surrounded by all these young entrepreneurs that have so much energy and just are being honored this year for being in the top 5,000 of growth.
About remote experiences.
No, it's fourth time on the list. Fourth time's the hardest time, right? Because it's a 3-year growth, so by the time you're on the fourth time, you build on your first time, which was the best time, but fourth is very impressive. Congrats to the team.
To business owners everywhere. And the series features candid advice directly from some of today's most successful entrepreneurs.
Great leaders. I've listened to some fantastic speakers. It is definitely the place to be and the place to network. See you next year.